Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at CDC Summer Camp, Community Daycare Summer Camp. This is in Ann Arbor, Michigan at Clown Lara School. The campus here, one of the main gathering spaces, and I'm in front of this mural, this poster that people helped to create. Some of the students ages 6 to 12 that were in attendance for my assembly today. But it says welcome influencers. And so their primary theme for this summer is all about influencers for change, being that change that they want to see in the world, doing something positive for others, not just for themselves. And so that really related to the primary topic for today as well. And that was about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. And so when we're thinking about doing this, it's our skills, our abilities, what we're good at, and already at a young age, using those things to hopefully, go and help others, right? So turning your passion into your purpose. And that means knowing what's so important, which is the people in our life, that is people first, things second, and knowing that we're all true miracles as well. And also knowing our worth, seeing that in ourselves and others. And that ties into the miracle concept that I bring up in all my presentations. So I trace this on my hand, but we all have letter M with the lines on our hand, at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects. That M stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. We have to truly believe this, because a lot of people I've spoken to in the past, and some currently, I've never been told that, or they just might need a reminder, right? And we can be that light to their heart. Talking about being that shining star and shining our lights, that also is really focused on the main logo that I have for this particular assembly. You'll see that this multicolored peace sign is in the shape of a heart, right? And that's where your passion starts, is in your heart. But it's up to us to go and shine that, to go and, push that positivity to others all around us, right? Do the right thing even when no one's watching. And the different colors, yes, some of us are more vocal leaders, loud leaders like myself. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders. We have that quiet strength. There's no right way or wrong way to lead, as long as we're doing something, to bring about a greater, uplifting difference in those around us. And I think the students really got that. When we're talking about influencers for change, going back to that concept here for this summer, that means that, you're trying to hopefully inspire someone, motivate them externally, to then have that inspiration happen internally, to have them, pick up that same torch for change, to, get inspired from the work that you do or your passions, to make them want to go and make a difference. And then this ripple effect starts to happen, right? And that's so cool, that these students were already getting that, even at a young age, through the different interactive exercises that I did with them, the picture slides, of course, the very powerful videos, the positive music, all that combined was really what we're trying to accomplish, through hitting them at every sensory level, but also hitting them at the heart level. And I think from the feedback that I got, a lot of students really did take that to heart. And that's always, my primary goal, is to make sure that, they know that they're doing things for the right reasons, thinking about what they want to be remembered for, hopefully their legacy, right? Like someone's helping hands, being that bowling ball, someone that has solid character, has a good foundation, solid morals, but also, really not doing things, just to get like the paycheck or for a trophy, or to build the resume, but we're doing it because, again, it is heavy here. And we know that there's so much need in today's day and age for people to do the right thing, right? To be able to choose that path to peace and that path of kindness and compassion and love. And again, I feel that it's really strong here, and it was just an honor to be here. I hope to be back in the future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the summer, and feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, hopefully influence America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.